Hi again. Unboxing number 3. You're gonna get sick and tired of my unboxing, so I'm gonna go as fast as I can. This is another Priority Mail package, flat rate envelope from Fat Quarter Shop. Let's open it up. And this is it's a Holiday Fat Quarter Club, and it's October 2018, called Dot Dot Boo. It's another Halloween, which, you know, as I said earlier, I do love Halloween, favorite holiday. Next, then it's Christmas, so I enjoy getting Halloween fabric. As always, there's 12 fat quarters in each monthly mailing, and it is $29.98. I'll list everything in the details below, description below, but this is, again, it's the October Holiday Fat Quarter Club. It's called Dot Dot Boo. It's $29.98, and it's $4.95 shipping. I live in Hawaii, so I'm assuming all of the United States is $4.95. But let's get into it. The first one is white background, black dots with kitty cats, orange kitty cats. This one is same thing, except white background, black kitty cats, and black dots. This one, it looks like Rick Rack, orange Rick Rack. This one has a like a tic tac almost of black and white on orange background. This one is really cute, polka dots on the orange background. This one is a dot to dot. Let's see, bat, ghost, looks like a jack-o'-lantern, skeleton, I don't know if you can see it, let's see, skeleton, witch, looks like a cauldron, so that's super cute. Spider, I used to love doing this as a kid. Here is a orange background with black webs and spiders. Here is a white background with black rickrack or white rickrack. This is the same kind of a like a tic-tac-toe almost, or lines, but black background with white. This one is black background with gray and white polka dots, same as this one. And here is, this is cool, black background, white spiders, orange, I'm sorry, white spider webs with orange spiders. I like that. And here is the dot to dot again, black background, bats, kitty cats, spiders, Dracula, skeleton, witch, ghost, cauldron. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!